and rule the world. I already told you, I already told you, I'm a simple man now, a simple life here. Upon the world, we wish we could find hope, but it's so hard for us to see and tell. But can we find the truth inside our heart, inside our mind? I look in the back of the watch, this world is only intertwined. But can we be the light in darkest nights? I take it strong enough today to stop and turn to the right. But look in the back of the world, it's life and the waste of the most to live. And look in the back of the gifts to give, and I wonder what the love we had to share beside this world to give up. I've been to the mountaintop and I had a dream. Look in the back of the world, it's similar to the king. I wonder where's the life and all the joy they had to start. But look at the poem of my life and watch it all and simply fall apart. But it's a work of art, the life is more than I. Try to set it on and not to sing it out about the mama taught me something about my head and brain. She told me life is more than the simple games we play. But can we? I'm not tempted to go and try to find a way to rule the world. I already told you, I already told you, I'm a simple man now, a simple life here. Yeah. Say now, it seems so easy just to get lost in the things of the world. Are some of the things that people talking about like it's all a game and it's all fun and games, but running into the pain touches home and then you're all in vain. Cause thinking there's no way up, there's no way down, thinking there's no way to get through. You're feeling like every day you're the clown, but the game and the circus have left town. But everything you got left with is the thing you thought would burn down. But now you dig inside of your heart and your mind, trying to find a way through the pain that you built on yourself. But the only way through is grace. Receive it and let yourself go to the pain that you thought you had to keep. But the sooner you let go of your baggage, the sooner you're free. You never needed to find anything or be anything, but the truth is something you keep in your heart, and the sooner you keep it, the sooner you break apart from the pain. But I'm not here to find a way to go and rule the world. Hey, I already told you, I already told you, I'm a simple man now, a simple life here. We're living in a dream cause we scared to face reality. The truth is never spine, it's like a more to come of mentality. Been a bit of a fun to the sun, our simple heart and soul. Who else is more than we need, so they turn from hot to turn from cold. But Lord, you always told me life was more than I this morning when I had to really try to set it on this. I just singing out and said, well, I'm about to wonder what I had to find. I got to take it, but I sit alone, looking back, on the corner, I'm looking back on the life, I reach a hand and everything, and never when they stick alone. But can we take it down, they take it up, but take it down, take it up, and turn around, but take it up, and spin around upon a simple ground. But can't really find hope inside my heart and soul, mind. I look at all the simple, all the trauma, tell myself that I'm a dope, but deep inside I know the water's telling lies. But if you never said we truly really stop and feel, we never really see the things of life and stop to really real, we really stop and see and get the lyrics wrong, see the turn around, we look at life ahead and know, we take the time to really sit and flow until the life we let it go, we can't wait to sing. I'm not here to find a way to go and rule the world. I already told you, I already told you, I'm a simple man now, I'm a simple life here. Hey, seems like so easy we get caught up in all this game, trying to chase the fame and think it makes us all better. Cause if everyone around the world was celebrating us, then we think we had everything we needed and get through all the pain once again. But all the things we're escaping from and running from are the things we packed up to carry along with where we go next. Cause until you learn to forgive yourself and forgive the ones you hate, then that's the only way you can plant the seeds to bring love back again. But now you're feeling like life's a sin. Everything we build up and the thing you got within, but now the truth. One step out of the next, find the love you need and forgive those who don't forgive you, and you will get through and see. But you ain't gotta rule the world, you ain't gotta know all the answers, you ain't gotta do nothing but learn to forgive and learn to love and let live. But every step you take in the wrong direction is something bringing you all back to the pain you thought you never get left in. But I'm not here to find a way to go and rule the world. I already told you, I already told you, I'm a simple man now, but it's a simple life here. Hey.